A lot of people have been freaking out lately because they are trying to use Grok for free, and the second they open it up, they start running into limits, paywalls or features that just are not working the way they expected. So hello everyone, welcome back to GetAssist, and in this video I am going to show you the best way to use Grok AI for free right now, how to access it, what to click and how to actually get useful results out of it. Without wasting a minute, let's get started. The platform we are looking at is Gemini Gen. When you land on the main page, it's probably going to look like one of those normal paid AI platforms with plans, offers, credits and all that stuff. So what you want to do is go straight into the studio section. Once you are inside the studio, this is where you will be able to choose from a bunch of different AI models. That includes things like Grok, Imagen, Veo and sometimes other strong models too. Now here is the important part. This platform rotates which models are available for free. And now in a lot of cases you will notice that the generation cost updates to 0 credits. Now once everything is set correctly and the cost shows 0, you can go ahead and generate. Let me show you how to use Grok properly on here. So first go to the top section where you select the AI category and choose the Grok option. Then inside that section choose the model available there. Then add your prompt. I am writing a bird running on the street and take off. Then I recommended using generation mode because this gives you an easier way to guide the overall style of the video and let you make the output look more normal, more wild or more dramatic depending on what you are trying to create. Pick the one that fits you want. Then choose your aspect ratio. Now here comes the important part. Some models on this platform only stay free if you use a specific quality and duration combination. So if you choose the wrong quality or the wrong duration, you may get an error or see that message that credits are required. That doesn't mean the model isn't free. It usually means your settings are not matching the free configuration. If one version throws an error, try lowering the duration slightly or switching to the quality settings. That still shows 0 credit cost. Now here is another really useful thing. If you go to your history, you will be able to see all the videos you have already generated in one place. So you don't always have to sit there waiting for it to finish. And you can look at my credits. It hasn't changed at all. And even I created 4 videos. Now at the top of the platform, go to the status section. Here you can actually see a quick report showing which models are currently working well and which ones are not working properly. Because instead of wasting time clicking random models and hoping one works, you can check the recent status. Look at the last hour and see which models are actually behaving correctly. Then you go back to the studio, look for those same models and test the ones that also show 0 credit cost. And if one option throws an error, don't keep forcing it. Try another working model or come back later when the rotation changes. That's how you use this platform efficiently. So yeah, that's how you stay on the free side of Grok and actually get results. If you want, I can also show you how to write better prompts or turn these into full YouTube videos. Just let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye. I'll meet you in the next one.